Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you two best POS PDA H10 receipt printer of the present time. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. First of all, POS PDA H10 receipt printer. Android 13 and 58mm high-speed thermal printer 5.5-foot touchscreen. Handheld mobile point-of-sale tablet. Scan 1D/2D/QR barcodes. Support 4G. 2 GB RAM plus 32 GB ROM. Brand Multso. Connectivity technology Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB. Printing technology thermal. Special feature internal memory. Portable. Display screen. Memory card slot. Color black. Model name POS H10. Printer output monochrome. Max print speed monochrome 1 ppm. Item weight 345 grams. Powerful performance with Android 13 for smooth business management. Experience the speed and efficiency of the Android 13 operating system on the H10 POS. This advanced OS optimizes device performance, enabling agile and efficient management of all your business operations, from inventory management to payment processing. Versatile integration to optimize your business processes. The H10 POS offers versatile integration with various tools and platforms, facilitating inventory management, logistics, sales tracking, and other key areas of your business. This integration simplifies processes and improves operational efficiency. Effortless centralized management with MS compatibility. Simplify the administration of your terminals with MS compatibility, enabling centralized management, secure private deployment, and simplified control of your devices. Optimize the time and resources dedicated to managing your point-of-sale infrastructure. Ultra-fast processing with 2.0 GHz octa-core processor. The H10 point-of-sale powerful 8-core 2.0 GHz processor ensures ultra-fast transaction processing and smooth application execution. Minimize waiting times and provide an agile and efficient user experience. Sharp images and precise capture with 5.0 MP camera and LED flash. The 5.0 MP rear camera with autofocus and LED flash allows for capturing sharp images and performing accurate barcode scans. Facilitates inventory management, product verification, and transaction documentation. Versatile connectivity with dual-band Wi-Fi, 4G, Bluetooth, and SIM support. Stay connected at all times with dual-band Wi-Fi, 4G, connectivity for a stable and fast internet connection, Bluetooth 3.0/4.2/5.3 BLE for connecting peripherals, and support for standard SIM cards for reliable mobile connectivity anywhere. This comprehensive connectivity ensures that your business remains operational even on the go. Number 2. JADENS Bluetooth Thermal Printer. Support 8.5-inch by 11-inch US letter, portable printers wireless for travel, inkless printer compatible with iOS, Android, mobile printer for home, office, school. Brand JADENS, connectivity technology Bluetooth, printing technology thermal, special feature portable printer, color black, model name A4 black, printer output monochrome, max print speed monochrome 20, product dimensions 10-inch DX 1.8, WX 3.1, H. Controller type iOS, Android. Cost-effective, ink-free printing. The mobile phone printers offers an economical solution for everyday printing needs, eliminating the need for ink, toner, and ribbons. Print recipes, forms, letters, assignments, study materials, and travel documents hassle-free with advanced thermal technology. Each thermal paper costs only 7 cents, resulting in substantial savings of hundreds of dollars per year. Perfect for home, small office, and school use. Note: JADENS portable printer is a thermal printer and only supports thermal paper, not support regular copy paper. Easy portability for on-the-go printing. Take printing wherever you need it with our mobile Bluetooth printer. Whether it's in your car, backpack, or during business trips, JADENS portable printers wireless is your reliable companion for emergency scenarios, contracts, office documents, inventory lists, business checks, shipping labels, boarding passes, and more. Effortless setup via Bluetooth or USB. Our mobile sticker printer easily connects to smart devices with iOS and Android systems via Bluetooth, and also functions as a compact printer for laptops and computers. Setup takes just 5 minutes from unboxing, making it a breeze to get started. Note: for smartphone printing, please download the app in advance. For laptops, install the driver first. Crisp printing quality and long battery life. Experience crystal clear printing with our portable travel printer, featuring 2 built-in 2,600 mAh batteries for continuous printing of up to 3 hours and 360 sheets on a single charge. With a remarkable 90 days standby time, this wireless printer is a must-have for businessmen and students on the move. Adjustable paper sizes and reliable after-sale support. Print documents ranging from 2 to 8.5 inches in size, accommodating various needs. We are committed to providing exceptional after-sale service, offering tech support via phone and email. Whether you have inquiries before or after using our portable wireless printer, our dedicated team is here to assist you promptly and effectively.